Today I'm making banana oat cakes. I'm going to start off by using 1 cup of rolled oats, and I'm going to add that to my blender. This is a cup blender, but go ahead and use a regular blender, and you can also double, triple the recipe to make more. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 whole fresh banana, 1 egg white, and this is optional, you don't have to add it. I just add it because it's extra protein for my husband's meal prep. A 1/2 cup of water, or your preferred liquid. You can use almond milk, but he was doing a clean eating meal plan. And now we're just going to blend this, and we're going to cook them as usual, 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown. And as you can see, it only made 3, so if you double, you'd get 6. If you triple, you'd get 9, and so on. And there you go, enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.